Welcome to qnawire.
All right, we want to prove that RSTU must be a parallelogram. Well, we already know that MNPQ is a parallelogram, so we would know that angle Q is congruent to angle N and angle M is congruent to angle P because opposite sides are, not opposite sides, but opposite angles are congruent in a parallelogram. And we would know that MQ is equal to Pn and Mn is equal to PQ because opposite sides are congruent. And we would also know that by the segment addition postulate, for instance, QU plus UM has got to be equal to QM, and NS plus SP is equal to NP. And with a substitution, we would know that Q U plus UM would be equal to NP. And then with another substitution, since or by the transitive property, we would know that QU plus UM would be equal to NS plus SP. And we know that we were given that MU and SP are congruent, so QU is equal to NS by subtraction. And then the same kind of process, I'm not going to repeat all that, would apply with the other pair of sides, but we'll get to it. This is going to mean that triangle QUT is congruent to triangle RNS. And that is by side angle side, which would mean that TU would be congruent to RS by CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And then this is going to repeat the process. Show that MR is congruent to TP using segment addition and subtraction and substitution. And then by side angle side, triangle RMU is congruent to triangle TPS, CPCTC, UR is congruent to ST. This then is a parallelogram, and that's because opposite sides are congruent.